I think successful social workers are those that have been attracted to the field, that find value and joy in giving back, providing support services to individuals that then they can recognize and see that they go on to do wonderful things themselves.
Students in our social work program are empathetic. They really have a deep sense of purpose and see the potential of the rewarding aspects of a helping profession. They are involved in many aspects of not only serving in the classroom, but also engage in the community through different student organizations, through different activities, as well as in their practicum, where they are really having the opportunity of serving clients in a direct way.